Welcome everyone to the crypto news roundup. Today we're going to look at the Ethereum merge, BlackRock Capital partnering with Coinbase, the big money laundering scam that's going on in Indian crypto exchanges, and the revamp in Bitcoin mining in the last month. The biggest event in crypto right now is the upcoming Ethereum merge. Everyone is looking up to it, and reports suggest that the merge may be coming a little sooner than expected. The expected date is now September. Ethereum recently successfully finalized its Goerli test. The current test now makes Ethereum finally a proof of stake blockchain. Now the next up is the final Ethereum mainnet. Anticipating this merge, the Ethereum token has nearly doubled up in the market as this merge finally converts Ethereum network from a proof of work to a proof of stake network, and also makes the token deflationary by limiting the supply of the token in the long run. Next up, we have BlackRock Capital, which is the largest fund in the world, finally enter into crypto space as it partnered with Coinbase in order to offer its crypto products. And recently it has also launched a spot Bitcoin private trust for US based institutional investor. This trust is BlackRock's first Bitcoin product, which will offer exposure of crypto to its institutional clients. And for Coinbase, this is game changing because everything else was going downhill for the exchange, and now after this news, the stock has climbed up by 18% in a single day. And also for overall crypto ecosystem, this is a good news because it shows big private lenders finally showing faith in the crypto markets. Next up, in India, the regulators are probing $100 million money laundering scam. Recently, the Enforcement Directorate of India raided the house of a voyager director, and before we could understand why, they started a huge online war between Binance CEO and voyager founder, where the Binance CEO declined having any ties to voyager and the Indian exchange, throwing counter allegations. And now it turns out that actually this is all part of a $100 million money laundering case which the Indian regulator has found out. Well, it turns out that there are some Chinese firms who wanted to buy some $130 million worth of cryptos, and they were allowed to buy it without any due diligence or KYC, which we normal people has to go through. And these cryptos were sent to the international wallets, and obviously it raised suspicion among the Indian regulators, and over 10 crypto exchanges are currently under probe for this money laundering case. And next up, Bitcoin mining companies are finally seeing some positive sign. After months and months of Bitcoin tumbling down and many mining companies going bankrupt and selling their equipment to raise cash, finally this month Bitcoin mining is at its highest peak, and as a result these mining stocks have doubled up from their price levels. Crypto mining companies such as Marathon Digital Holdings, Core Scientific, Riyadh Blockchain has recently doubled up from their price levels owing to Q2 results which they have filed. For example, Core Scientific reported a whopping 1600% increase in the mined Bitcoin. With the price of Bitcoin finally settling down, the reward for Bitcoin miners is finally seeing some momentum. And this is a straight result of the same. So that's it for today's, guys. Thanks for watching. For more such content, follow us, subscribe to us so that we can produce more and more such informative and useful content for you in future.